Hello everyone, my name is Shomesh here and welcome to my 100 days of coding challenge. Today day is 15th of my 100 days coding challenge. Today I created a kitchen UI design with the help of HTML and CSS. So now let's move to the HTML file. This is the HTML file and this is the main container and in main container have some classes like navbar, logo and links. Here I use a li tag. This is the menu. This is the icon bar. This is the HTML file. So now let's move to the CSS file. This is the CSS file. So this is the CSS file. This is the universal selector and this is the class main container. Here I use CSS properties, width, height, background image, background position, background size, background color, links UL. Here I use a hover property. This is the button. This is the responsive type of UI design in 480 pixel and 780 pixel also. This is the responsive side. So now let's move to the result, how it look like. Go live and this is the result. All property were properly. Let's check it's responsive or not. This is responsive in 480 pixel and 780 pixel also. So thank you for watching my video.